With the UK summer well underway, it seems to be peak auction season for classic cars, and this week sees the H&H Classic sale at the Millbrook Test Facility in Bedfordshire. One auction lot in particular has caught my eye, a low mileage, iconically styled Ferrari in a great colour that's selling with no reserve, meaning that however low the final bid, the car will be sold. No reserve auctions are a great opportunity for a bargain buy, but they can also be a clever way to encourage more bidders and drive the final price up. Let's find out a bit more about the car before we see how it gets on in the sale. The Ferrari Dino GT4, badged as just Dino before 1976, is unique in the Ferrari back catalogue in that it was styled by Bertone rather than Pininfarina. Whether Sergio Pininfarina had upset Enzo Ferrari, or whether Il Commendatore just wanted to try a different path, Ferrari approached Bertone in the early 70s to style their new V8 powered Dino, replacing the curvy Dino V6 GTs. Marcello Gandini stepped up for Bertone and produced an angular design incredibly similar in layout and style to the Urraco of Lamborghini, one of Enzo's fiercest rivals. Old man Ferrari wasn't so happy with that and went back to Pininfarina from that point onwards. Launched in 1973, most GT4s built were 308s, having 3-litre V8s, but they also produced some 2-litre 208s for the Italian market from 1975, which attracted a lower sales tax. An update in 1976 also saw the cars marketed and badged as Ferrari, complete with prancing horses, and it continued until 1980 when the Dino was replaced by the Mondial. This particular Ferrari 308 GT4 was built in 1976 and was one of the first UK right-hand drive Dinos with Ferrari branding. Originally Marrone Metallizzato, a metallic brown, the car has been repainted a number of times, finally settling on what I think is Ferrari's best colour combination, Tour de France blue over a magnolia leather interior. The car has full documentation back to its first owner and MOTs from 1979 which appear to validate the indicated mileage of just over 38,000 miles, which is incredibly low for a car approaching 5 decades old. It's come out of a collection and has had money spent on it in recent years, but it's described as a rolling restoration project that needs some cosmetic work, but can still be fully enjoyed whilst you're tinkering and fettling. So a good 308 GT4 would typically fetch between £40,000 and £50,000. This one needs some work still, but it is a very low mileage example, complete with all the paperwork. So I'm thinking it'll end up somewhere between 30 and 40,000 perhaps. Let's see what the bidders at the auction make of it.
And very, very well done to whoever can sign this, and thank you to our vendor as well for getting it into sale without reserve. What a fantastic car to be in without reserve. The internet's having its own little party, but let's see if we can blow them straight out of the water. I think it's going to get there, isn't it? Does anybody wish to start me at £20,000? You let that run there, Will. Anybody wish to start me at 10? Who's got £10,000? It seems we're going to come to you, Will. Right, 7, 8,000, right, that'll do, 8,000 bid, 8,000 bid, 9, 10, 10,000 on the sale room, at 10, 11,000 here on the H&H platform, 12,000 in Bolton, 13,000 in Gloucestershire, 13, 14,000 is bid at 14,000, now £15,000 bid, at 15, now 16, 16 is the bid, at 16,000, we're looking for 17, we have 17,000 somewhere in the UK, at 17,000, 18,000 back with Gloucestershire now, at £18,000 the bid is at 18, can I say 19? 19,000 we can at 19,000. 19 is the bid. The bid is at £20,000 where we should have started. 21,000 in Preston. At £22,000 bid. At 22, we're looking for 3 now. We have £23,000 back with our Preston bidder at 23,000. Can I say 24? We can. £24,000 is bid. At 24,000. At 24, as it is an online bid, now 5 bid back with our bidder in Lancashire. Been a good bidder today in Preston, thank you. At £25,000 bid. At 25,000, sold without reserve. The best bid buys the car today at £25,000. Has anybody? 26,000 we have. 26,000 is the bid. Now at 26,000, we're looking for 7 again. At £26,000. At £26,000 now. At 26. Should we say 5? 26,500, £27,000 is the bid. And we'll say 5. 27 is the bid. Barcher, you're in the lead at £27,000. At 27,000. Small one there for your underbid if you're quick. The bid is at £27,000 for the Ferrari Dino, ladies and gents. Without reserve, 27.5 bid. UK bidders somewhere. Mystery bid. 27.5 is the bid. Do you wish to go 28? We're selling it all the way at £27,500 is the bid then. Online at 27.5. Anybody else in the hall wish to join in? Anybody waiting in the wings? 27.5 is the bid. Selling it then for the first time. 28,000, not yet. In Kent, £28,000. Kent, you're in the lead. 28,000 is the bid. We're looking for 28.5 now. On sale all the way at £28,000 for the first time then. £28,000. 28.5 is bid. 29,000 is bid. At 29,000. Don't leave your bids till the last moment there, ladies and gents. You might be disappointed. The bid is at £29,000 then for the first time. On sale at 29,000. The second time at 29,000. Third and final time. We sell at £29,000. Sold at £29,000. Congratulations to our bidder there.
Well, that was exciting. Lots of bidders joining in. Exactly what an auctioneer hopes for with a no reserve sale. I thought it was going to go for well under 30,000 for a while there, but that final bid of £29,000, which would be 32,625 including fees, it's not a bad price, depending on how much more cosmetic work there is that's needed and whether it's something the new owner can do themselves. So what do you think of the car and what do you think of the hammer price? Have they got a good deal? Leave me a comment down below. If you want to see more of the lots from this auction, H&H have their own YouTube channel and sometimes keep a recording of the live stream, as well as producing an auction highlights video. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit subscribe to show your support for this channel and to be notified of future videos. Also take a look at my channel where there are over 100 existing videos on classic sports cars and Grand Tourers. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.